that mile-long Santa Fe freight train, engineer seen it all. Just like that flatbed cowboy stacking U.S. steel on a 3-day haul.
But there ain't no place that I won't be, sweet darling. There ain't no getting over me. I'll be the bill you forgot to pay. I ain't a 10, you're a 9.9, tipping and spilling that homemade wine on your tied-up t-shirt. Every little kiss is driving me wild, throwing.
Wanna be wanted, and you need to be needed. When you wanna move on, cause you want somebody who's nothing like he is. You're so good to me, yeah. Somebody's doing me right, somebody's holding me tight, sharing my days and I spend my whole life running around, settling down. I never dreamed I'd be settling down. I'm about sick and tired of this bar crowd. I'll throw some money down if you wanna slip out. You got me locked in, take my hand. Can be my queen sitting up in my king ranch. Bet you look good on a 2-lane.
I'll be home soon, baby. I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Hang my hat like I'm here for a while, kick off my boots and drive you wild like a cowboy.
Love did what it does, wasn't leaving 6 months, ain't ever leaving, shining on her left hand. But that worse or for better, forever together started. Cause tomorrow I'll be ringing, ask what you were dreaming, hoping it was me. Tell me what's your secret, do you believe? You're sipping, I'ma mix it up, take a few TikToks off of your clock, put a little third rock in your hip hop. I got that 1994. Something about you, baby, got me going crazy. I don't know what to do. I've never met a girl like you that's ever done it quite like you do. Your kiss